started.
Yeah. OMG. You excited?
Double whammy stickerage.
This is our first Japanese box.
The big reveal.
Ooh.
Oh.
Nice.
You get a little... It's the other way.
Leaflet. Oh, it's back to front, is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Little book. Oh.
There's something else. Leave a review.
Oh. QR code.
Wished. I see something that said bonus.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, fabric.
Bonus.
Can I feel it? Oh, it's lovely. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, what is it? It's like a place setting or oh, it's really nice.
That's nice.
That is very nice. What have we got?
It's in...
Japanese.
Yeah.
I don't know. A Danish, some sort of Danish.
Danish.
Looks like a some sort of patisserie, isn't it? Or pastry.
Something.
Yum. Gosh, there's loads. What's that? It's a volcano of some.
It's a volcano and it looks like a cracker or
yeah.
a biscuit.
Yeah. I like that.
Then we got some
Tea, is it? Green tea.
green tea.
Mm.
2 of.
Mm-hmm.
Then we've got, feels like some sort of like biscuit maybe.
It says melon cookie.
You got 2 of those.
Mm-hmm. Milk chocolate sand cookies. It's got strawberry on it. Do you think there's strawberry in it?
Must be.
Interesting. This one's a big one. I'm going to get the translation on that. I
Yeah.
think.
Don't know what this is.
It looks like some sort of cookie again, like with chocolate chips maybe in it.
It looks like savoury to me.
Oh, okay. What are those bits then?
I don't know. They might be zoomed in, maybe.
Okay.
Don't know what that
Oh,
is.
I'll have to try these. Goodness, there's so much.
Oh,
What?
butter. Double whammy butter.
Okay, but it's not butter, is it?
No, it's like some sort of...
Wafer?
It seems like waferish. Different packaging. Slightly different.
So different flavours of
They both
butter?
I don't know really what that is.
Ooh, I like this. White raspberry.
You don't even know what it is.
No, but I like the packaging. Look at the heart with flowers.
Oh.
Oh, it actually says something. A white chocolate, a raspberry, and the light texture of a puff. More butter.
Fresh, pure butter cookies.
This reminds me of the book I'm reading called Butter, when there's a shortage of butter.
So much butter things.
Butter.
Then you've got...
Little dudes jumping around the place. Is that savoury or sweet? How can you tell?
I don't know.
We'll have to open all these.
Feels like it might be like matcha or something. It's green. But not sure yet. So that's that one. Ooh, mochi.
Oh, is that?
It's mochi. The like really chewy, sticky stuff.
And what What flavour is that? Don't know.
Don't know. My guess would be mango because of the coloration, but I'm not sure. We're gonna have to open and taste. Oh, might be another mochi thing.
Milk something something.
What does that say?
Don't know.
Looks like some milk. Then you've got
Oh, they're so cute. Is that like a little peanutty? Chocolate?
peanuts and chocolate.
I like the packaging.
You got another peanut and chocolate.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Corn.
Oh, what do you do with that?
You eat it.
Just on its own without
Yeah.
popping it?
It's cooked sweet corn.
OMG.
You got 2 of those as well. Last thing.
So this isn't food, this bit, is that right? Oh, I love it. Very nice. So the 2 things are this, but this is a bonus.
Yeah, these 2 are the things that aren't edible.
And the rest is food based. I love it. So you got these 2, and then food.
Yeah, so we've got
Yeah.
this.
But we'll have to maybe do another video where we open them up and taste them, would you say?
Oh yes, definitely.
I think you got a decent amount of food
Yeah.
and good variety.
Mm.
Yeah,
Mm.
happy with that.